Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make pareto chart in Microsoft Excel 2016. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am open my data sheet. Now I am create a pareto chart. At first, select my data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option. Now I am go to the all chart option, then go to the histogram chart and select the pareto chart and click OK. Now we can see here the pareto chart. You want to change the chart title, axis, legend, etc. Select the chart, then click inside the text box of the chart title and select the text, then write your title. Otherwise, you can change the color, style, more than effect. Go to the chart design menu, select the design drop down menu. You can see here many style of or color. You can change anything. Now I am select this. You can change the color of the chart series. Now I am select the color. Otherwise, you can add any element like axis title, chart title, data labels, grid lines, etc. You can add the grid lines or remove this. Now we can see we insert a pareto chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.